Hello everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: eavesdrop, EAVESDROP. Tad, TAD. Eavesdrop, secretly listen to a conversation. Synonyms: overhear, listen in, spy, bug, monitor, intrude, snooper, wiretap, ears into, tap, pry. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: ignore, omit, inattention, calm, neglect, take no notice, pay no attention. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: it is not polite to eavesdrop on the conversation of other people. Tad, a very small amount. Synonyms: little bit, crumb, ounce, mite, hint, ace, particle, peanuts, nip. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: excess, a lot, whole, plenty, so much, high amount. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: I need a tad of salt please. Redound, REDOUND. Fracas, FRACAS. Redound, to have a result that is an advantage to someone. Synonyms: result in, lead to, react, recoil, resound, aid, assist, contribute, add to, effect, return. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: fail, miss, swerve, injure, defeat, frustrate, disappoint. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the monetary donation to the school would redound to the benefit of the students. Fracas, a noisy argument or fight. Synonyms: disturbance, quarrel, scuffle, brawl, affray, battle, clash, combat, conflict, fray, riot. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: agreement, calm, peace, harmony, happiness. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the students were suspended from the class when they started a fracas. Succumb, SUCCUMB. Ardor, ARDOUR. Succumb, to lose the determination to oppose something or to accept defeat. Synonyms: surrender, give away, submit, bow, quit, pass away, give in, go down, yield, relent. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: resist, conquer, defend, refuse, stay, overcome, deny, win, create, bear. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: lakhs of people succumbed to the COVID-19 in the past few months. Ardor, great enthusiasm or passion. Synonyms: eagerness, passion, avidity, zeal, intensity, warmth, fire, spirit, gusto, devotion, heat. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: apathy, indifference, coldness, frigidity, lethargy, dullness. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: in school annual day, we sang with real ardor. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.